Hi children, today we can discuss the relationship between coefficients and zeros of a polynomial. You know, you have studied that linear polynomial. What's the standard form of a linear polynomial? Let us see. It is ax plus b. It's a linear polynomial and the condition is a not equal to 0. How can we find the zero of this polynomial? Just we can see one example. 2x plus 3. It's a linear polynomial and in order to find the zero of this polynomial we can just equate it to 0. This you have already studied. Okay, that is 2x equal to negative 3. This plus 3 becomes minus 3 on the other side and x is equal to negative 3 by 2. Okay, so x, the variable you are getting that value negative 3 by 2 and it is the zero of the polynomial. Zero of the linear polynomial 2x plus 3 which is negative 3 by 2. From this polynomial you can write the values of a. What is a? A is equal to 2. And what is b? B is equal to 3. That is the standard form, it is x plus b. Here we are comparing with the given polynomial. So, the coefficient of x is a, that is 2, a equal to 2 and the constant is 3. So, you got x equal to negative 3 by 2 which gives the idea that is negative b by a. Negative b by a. See that negative 3 by 2. B is 3 and a is 2. Understand? So, for a linear polynomial, the zero is negative b by a. Similarly, we can check the quadratic polynomial. What's the standard form? That is ax square plus bx plus c. The condition is a not equal to 0. For example, x square plus 4x plus 4. Where a. Here what is a equal to? A is equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, which is 1. What is b is equal to? The coefficient of x, that is 4. And what is c? That's a constant term, which is also 4. For this quadratic polynomial, you have studied that 2 zeros are there maximum. At the most, 2 zeros are there. So, let the zeros are alpha and beta. 2 zeros are there. These zeros we are selecting as alpha and beta. Now the relation you can see, it is alpha plus beta, that is equal to negative b by a, and alpha into beta, that is the product of the zeros, which is same as c by a. These two we need to verify for some examples. Okay, so what's the relation between zeros and coefficients? Alpha plus beta. Here the two zeros are alpha and beta. Their sum is negative b by a. And their product is c by a. Now we can find the zeros of the given polynomial. That is by factorization or by splitting middle term method. Okay. So here you know the same question, x square plus 4x plus 4, a, b, c, the values we have written there. Now, how to split the middle term? The middle term is 4x. This term we are splitting into two terms. Okay. The idea, here we are selecting two numbers. Two numbers we are selecting such that their sum equal to b. What is b? b is 4. And their product is AC. Sum is b and product is AC. Here the value of a and c. It is given here now. 1 into 4. 4. Can you select two numbers such that their sum is 4 and the product also 4? Which are the two numbers? The idea is just you select that product 4. The factors of 4 we are writing. Which are the factors of 4? Either 1 into 4 or otherwise 2 into 2. Okay. And which pair giving the sum as 4 that we are selecting? The factors of 4 we are writing. 2 pairs you got, and from there we are selecting the pair which is giving the sum 4. So you know 2 and 2 are the numbers. Okay. And here we can split x square plus middle term 4x we are splitting by using the 2 numbers you got. Here 2 and 2 you are getting means 2x and 2x. Okay, the 2 numbers 2x and 2x we are writing. 2x plus 2x plus 4. Understand? Now, from the first 2 terms and from the last 2 terms, we are selecting common factors out. That's a method. From the first 2 terms, which is common factor, x is common. X into. What is remaining here? 1x is there. Plus 2 is also there. Clear? Then from the third and fourth terms, 2x plus 4, 2 is common. Okay. Here x remaining plus here 4 means 2 into 2. 1 2 is taken out. So 1 2 remaining. Clear? Now x plus 2 in the bracket, here also x plus 2 in the bracket. That you can select outside. So x plus 2, one factor you got as common factor. Then what is remaining here? X. What is remaining here? Plus 2. So the 2 factors you got. X plus 2 into x plus 2. How to find the zeros? Equating each factor to 0. That is x plus 2 equal to 0, and what we are getting? X equal to negative 2. The same way, the second factor also same no. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 2. So we got the 2 values, 2 zeros, negative 2 and negative 2. Understand? That is, we got alpha equal to negative 2, beta also negative 2. Okay. Now we can find the sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Negative 2 plus negative 2, which is same as negative 4. Okay. And what is that negative b by a? You can write here. Negative b by a. B is 4. And negative b means negative 4 by a. What is a? 1. So you can see that alpha plus beta you got negative 4. Negative b by a also negative 4. Negative 4 by 1 means it is same as negative 4. So both these are equal. That is, you have verified this condition. What is that? Alpha plus beta equal to negative b by a. And then the product also we can verify. Alpha into beta, negative 2 into negative 2. What is that? Positive 4. See, negative into negative becomes positive. And what is c by a? That is c. What is c? 4. 4 by 1 means which is same as 4. So you got alpha into beta positive 4. C by a also positive 4. So these two values are equal. Means you have proved that alpha into beta equal to C by A. Is it clear?